Are you tired of sweating in your own home or feeling like you're freezing during the winter months? Can a ductless AC really change your life? I'm about to show you a game changer that's perfect for home and business owners who want to stay cool and comfortable all year round. The Bravo Ductless AC is a mini split AC that solves the problem of expensive and complicated ductwork, making it an ideal solution for those who want to avoid the hassle and cost of traditional air conditioning systems. So let's break down the specs, because each one is important and adds up to a powerful and efficient AC. It's got 36,000 BTU, which means it can cool a large space, perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even entire floors. The 17 SEER2 rating is great for energy efficiency, which means you'll save money on your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint. It runs on 230V, which is standard for most homes, making installation a breeze. The 13-foot kit is included, so you've got everything you need to get started, from the indoor and outdoor units to the wiring and mounting hardware. It can even heat down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is amazing for cold climates, and it's AHRI certified, so you know it meets high standards for performance and safety. Each spec matters because it adds up to a powerful and efficient AC that can handle big spaces, save you money, and provide reliable performance. The high BTU means it can handle large areas, while the good SEER2 rating means you'll enjoy lower energy bills. The 230V means it's easy to install, and the kit means you've got all the parts you need. The low heating temp means you'll stay warm in the winter, and the certification means you can trust it to perform well and last for years to come. Imagine coming home from a hot day and walking into a cool, comfortable space, feeling the stress and heat just melt away. Or picture this, you're working from home and it's freezing outside, but your room is warm and cozy, perfect for focusing on your work or enjoying some quiet time. That's what the Bravo Ductless AC can give you, a comfortable and relaxing space that's perfect for any time of year. You can even use it to zone different areas of your home or office, so you can heat or cool only the spaces that need it, which can be a huge money saver. In real-world use, the Bravo Ductless AC has been shown to be highly effective and efficient. For example, it's perfect for home offices, where you need to stay focused and productive, or for bedrooms, where you want to sleep comfortably without breaking the bank. It's also great for commercial spaces, such as restaurants, shops, or gyms, where you need to keep customers or clients comfortable. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain, which means you can enjoy the benefits of a ductless AC without the hassle and expense of traditional systems. So what's the verdict? I think this AC is a great choice for anyone who wants to stay comfortable year-round. It's powerful, efficient, and reliable, and it's perfect for a wide range of applications. The only downside is the price, which is a bit higher than some other options, but I believe it's worth the investment for the long-term benefits it provides. I give it an 8 out of 10, and I think it's a great choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their cooling and heating system. The link to buy the Bravo Ductless AC is in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in learning more. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more product reviews, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be reviewing another exciting product that can help you improve your home or business.